What's up guys, this is Bastien from the Python Unit. So today in this video we are going to cover how to read and write an Excel file using the Pandas library. So how do we import the Pandas library? We just call it like this, import Pandas as PD. If you don't have it, you can still pip your way out using like this. You can install it like pip3 or pip install Pandas, and then it will run it for you and it will install for you depending on your system. So now that we have our library installed, we can use the method that is called read Excel. And what this method requires is basically an IO. So it's going to be like the file itself. So for this example, I do have a sample file that I call sample data and that I can read like this. When we read it, we can see that it works, and we have a column that we might not want because it creates like a double index. This is like a Panda stuff. But if we don't want this, we can specify that we want this column to be the index. And so now we don't have this ugly column anymore. What I usually like to do is assign this result to a variable so that you can work with it in the future. So now that we have our data frame, we can work with it. And once we've finished working on it, we can actually use the to Excel to rewrite the file so that we can share it further. And now we can call it final sample data as XLSX. And that's it. This was how to read and write an Excel file using Pandas. I hope you liked it. If you want to check out the code, just go below in the bio. You will be able to see it on the website. You can copy paste on the website. This is super straightforward. There is like no barrier. And I hope you liked it, and I see you next time.